Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. A few days ago, we get to see the first look of the Galaxy S23 lineup, which showed that both S23 and S23 Plus will get a new camera design that brings the look of the camera module in line with its Ultra counterpart. A lot of people said that it now looks like a mid-range A-series handset, which I don't agree with because the camera lenses are way bigger than the A-series handsets. Anyway, today we have quite a lot of information about the S23 lineup, starting with some good news. You see, if there's one thing I would like to see Samsung improve with their flagships is the battery life. I'm not saying it's bad on the S22 lineup, all the S22 handsets have respectable battery life, but compared to the latest iPhones, there definitely is room for improvement. Thankfully, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset will be a lot more efficient because of the TSMC production. We are expecting at least a 30% improvement in efficiency, which alone would make a drastic improvement in battery life compared to the S22 lineup. Now with the S23 and S23 Plus, Samsung has decided to increase the battery capacity as well. The Galaxy S23 will have a 3900 mAh battery, 200 mAh more than its predecessor. The same is the case with the S23 Plus as well. It will get a 4700 mAh battery, which is similarly 200 mAh larger than what we had with the S22 Plus. This combined with a way more efficient chipset would mean you will see a drastic improvement in battery life with the S23 and S23 Plus. Now unfortunately the S23 Ultra is keeping the same 5000 mAh battery. Lack of space is the biggest reason why they didn't increase the size. But like I have said before, there will be a noticeable improvement in the battery life on the S23 Ultra despite the same capacity thanks to an efficient chipset. Now we also have information about the color options Samsung is offering with the S23 lineup. According to Ross Young, it will be beige, black, green and light pink. So basically white is being replaced by beige. Now we have another update. Many outlets and YouTubers were reporting that the S23 Ultra will have a new telephoto camera with a sensor shift stabilization technology for better stabilization. They are saying this based on a patent Samsung applied recently, which is funny because patents mean absolutely nothing. Companies file for patents all the time and only a fraction of them actually goes into the production line. Just because a company filed for a patent right before a new product is coming doesn't mean it will have that technology. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you on the next one.